Greetings everyone. So we'll be discussing about the Global CSR Awards. The Global CSR Awards is Asia's most prestigious recognition awards program for corporate social responsibility. On a global perspective, we are still witnessing a large disparity in environmental quality and economic well-being between the developed and developing countries. But gradually there is a positive momentum built over the past decade that is driving the change in the global front. Societies and global corporations are embracing the UN Sustainable Development Goals as part of their long-term planning. The program recognizes and honors companies for outstanding, innovative, and world-class products, services, projects, and programs implemented in the past or present. These projects should demonstrate the company's leadership, sincerity, and ongoing commitment in incorporating ethical values, compliance with the legal requirements, and respect for the individual, communities, and environment in the way they do their business. Now we'll be discussing about the categories that fall under the Global CSR Awards. The companies can enter as many projects as they wish in one or more of these categories. The winning company is simply one of which the opinion of the judges best meets the criteria for each category. So the first award we'll be discussing about is the Best Environmental Excellence Award. The company that is eligible for this award is the company that has successfully implemented a major project or program in areas such as energy efficiency, extended product responsibility, green product design, waste reduction, sustainable business practices, and water conservation. And also, the company that has integrated environmental performance into its sustainable development strategy is eligible for this award. So the next category is the Best Community Program Award. The company that has successfully implemented a community project that has resulted in poverty alienation, better education, business growth, or community engagement is eligible for this award. The next category that fall under the Global CSR Awards is Excellence in Provision of Literacy and Education Award. This award will be given to the company that has implemented a project designed specifically towards large-scale literacy and education improvements among children and adults with sustainable and long-term benefits. The next category is Empowerment of Women Award. This award will be presented to the individuals or companies that have implemented programs committed to women empowerment and welfare with immediate or long-term positive effects in terms of gender equality, economic improvements, and cultural biases. The next award we'll be discussing is the Best Workplace Practices. The company that will be presented this award will be the company that will have policies and programs in place that show the respect they have for their employees and how much they value to them. For taking this decision, some points are taken into consideration regarding the layoffs, dependents, health provisions, and employee training. And also other points like privacy at work, improving quality of life at work, fostering lifelong learning, and the implementation of employee ownership plans are also considered. The next award is the CSR Leadership Award. This award will be presented to the individual or organization who has contributed to the promotion of all aspects of the corporate social responsibility, including the environment, sustainability, community partnerships, education, and poverty elimination, to name but a few. The next category we'll be discussing is the Product Excellence Award. This award will be presented to the companies that have created products that have brought alive the positive impact to societies while contributing positively to the organizer's bottom line. So now we'll be discussing about the selection process. Companies from all over the region are encouraged to nominate themselves and enter their favorite projects or programs, and there is no limit to the number of entries per company. So the selection process will include an in-depth search, and the selection process for the awards comprises the generation of entries, initial screening, comments by the advisors, and the final judging. So the judging panel is made up of internationally recognized and respected judges from a variety of industry sectors and disciplines. The panel is selected carefully to ensure a fair and objective selection process. Also, the judges are bound by a strict confidentiality agreement and are required to declare any conflict of interest in entries over which they deliberate. So, as per the judging criteria, each entry must include the following information and a respective fee associated. Credit will be given to companies that report their CSR activities openly and clearly within the context of a recognized CSR reporting framework, such as the G3 checklist described by the GRI standards. Credit will be given to the companies that can demonstrate independent assurance or verification of the impact of their CSR programs from third parties. Credit will be given to companies which are signatories or supporters of international CSR frameworks such as the UN Global Compact or the UN Principles for Responsible Investment and which demonstrate a clear commitment to fulfilling their responsibilities under these frameworks. Reference will be given to long-term programs which address as wide a range of stakeholders as possible through useful, innovative, and meaningful CSR activities that make a real difference to environment or to the communities which they touch. And for a new or startup projects, the companies are encouraged to show how the projects will build into longer term project programs, and credit will be given to clearly identified sustainability features in the design of the project.